Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to do technical analysis and price prediction of my top NFT coins right now, and definitely I'm going to tell you my next immediate short-term targets, my next medium duration targets and my next long duration target for these coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information, and please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. This is the CoinGecko page of 100 NFT coins, and here you can see NFT market cap is currently at 6.7 billion and 24-hour trading volume is 3.9 billion, and this is the list of top 100 NFT coins. In this video I will tell you my top 5 coins, and I'm definitely going to do technical analysis and some fundamental analysis and price prediction of these coins. So please like this video. My first pick of this is Sand. Let me please show you. Friends, please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. Sand. It is my first pick. It is currently at $0.40 and it is price increased 16.5% in just 24 hours. This is the market cap of this token is 276 million, and total maximum supply of this token is 3 billion, and circulating supply of this token is 680 million, and this is the 24-hour low price is $0.34 and 24-hour high price is $0.43, and current rank of this coin is 137, and in 30 days this coin gives 189% to its holders. And market cap of this token according to the volume is 0.80, and all-time high of this token was on March 8, 2021, and the price was $0.43, and all-time low of this token was $0.028, and it was on November 4, 2020, and it gives 1302% profit to its holders. These are some major exchanges where you can find this token and where you can get this token: Binance, UB Global, Upbit, BitX, and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and you create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get some small altcoins, then please click on this page of Hotbit and you can create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to do leverage trading, then this is the link of Bybit. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Let's dive into the chart, and this is the Sand chart of 4 hour of Tether US Binance chart, and it is currently trading at 0.3098. Here you can see this is the all-time high of this token is at $0.44, and after that we see a pullback from the price, and price is decreasing right now. And what is the next target? Let me please show you, and please stay in this video and please thumbs up the like button right now, because I'm definitely going to tell you my next targets of these coins right now. This is the major trend line. Sand should have to respect this trend line. Maybe price go down to this level, and after that we see a pullback, and after that it will break its all-time high right now. And our first target for the Sand right now is that zone. I think from that it should have to hit this zone, and which is all-time high. Maybe price goes down to this level, and after that it will go up. And once it break this, our first target, this is our first target. Let me please tell you, our first immediate short-term target for the Sand is $0.55. And let me please show you my other targets of this token. It is currently in the rising broadening wedge, and once it break towards upside, then it will lead to, let me please tell you, maybe price go down to this level 0.35, and after that we see a pullback, and after that it breaks $0.34, and after that it will hit this zone and break this zone, and this is our second target. 0.54 is our first target, 0.72 is our second target. And let me please tell you my medium duration target for this coin right now. I think this token should have to give you maximum gain in this year, because this is the year of NFT tokens, I think so. And I think this is the very realistic target. It should have to hit within 2 or 3 months, and should have to give you 123%, and should have to hit $1 price level, and after that it should have to hit this zone and should have to hit $1.5 and should have to give you $250, sorry, 250% profit. And let me please tell you my target of this year of this token. I think this is the target, and definitely I think it can hit this, and it is the level of $3. It will give you 575% profit according to the current running price, and these are our targets. Please note down these targets. This is the target of 2021. It should hit this target within 2021. These are 3 targets. And let me show you the BTC pair, SAND BTC pair. It is the chart of SAND BTC right now, and it is currently trading at 802 satoshis right now, and this is the main trend line, and SAND should have to respect this main trend line. It rejects from that zone which is at $912, and let me please change the color of this and know what is next target. I think it is creating a M type pattern, and here you can see it is first. Let me please do this. This is first top, this is second top, maybe price down to this level, and after that it will go up. And let me please remove this, and our first target will be, let me please show you, once it break 912 satoshis level, then our first target will be this. 1168 satoshi is our first target. 1116 satoshi is our first target. And let me please arrange this chart. It is in the rising broadening wedge, and once it breaks this rising broadening wedge, then it should have to hit this zone, and it should have to hit 1400 satoshi very near future. In very near future, these are very realistic targets right now for this token, and we have to calculate the height of this ascending broadening wedge. And let me please click on this, and let me please tell you my medium duration target for this token. This is the medium duration target for this token. 1700 is our medium duration target. Maybe it hit this within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or maybe within 1 month. These are 3 targets currently right now for me, and please note down these targets, and let me please tell you my long duration targets. This is very realistic target, $3,604, and this is the target of 6 months, and within 6 months it should have to hit this, and this is the target of 1 year, and within 2021 I think it should have to hit 5500 Satoshi. This is my last target for this token right now for 2021. And let me please tell you my next coin. X Infinity. The video of XC Infinity is on my YouTube channel. Please watch this video. In this video, I predict long-term price targets and short-term price target of this token. And current price of this token is $303.10. Sorry, and the price increased 18.9% just in 24 hours. Market cap of this token is 172 million, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 38 million, and total circulating supply of this token is 270 million. Sorry, maximum supply of this token is 270 million, and 24-hour low is $2.5 and 24-hour high is $3.27. Current rank is 185, and it gives 188% to its holder within 30 days. All-time high of this token was on March 8, 2021, and the price was 3.27. All-time low of this token was $0.12 November 6, 2020, and in these exchange this token is available: Binance, SushiSwap, Dcoin. And if you want to buy this token, you have to go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. It takes only 30 seconds. And if you want to collect some hidden gems or some small cap coins, then you have to open an account on Hotbit. Click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Let's dive to the chart. This is the AXS 4-hour chart, daily chart of Binance, and it is creating a bull flag right now, and it is on peak, and it is at its all-time high 3.90 to its 3.29 is its all-time high right now. Let me please, this is the level. What is the target of this bull flag? I think the bull flag target should be this zone. Sorry for that. 4.25 is our next target for the XC AXS, and let me please tell you my long duration targets right now. The target of 6 months and $20 is my next target, and my long duration target for this token, maybe within 2021 in this year, or maybe within next year. It should have to hit this target. $20 is my next target, and it will give you 540% gain. Let me show you the BTC pair of AXS. This is the BTC pair. It is currently trading at 6,345 Satoshis price, and it should have to respect this downtrend line. This is the all-time high of this token is at 6,521 Satoshi. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for this token right now. This is the first target of this coin right now, 8170. is our first target. You can say this, and one thing you can see is that this is very beautiful W pattern, and it break this the neckline of this W pattern. Then let me please calculate the height of this W pattern. Let me please calculate the height of this, and we have to put it on the neckline, and here you can see very beautiful 7700. These are our targets, 81 and 77 and 80, similar targets. And let me please tell you my long duration target for this token right now in BTC pair. I think in BTC pair it should have to hit this level very soon, and maybe sorry for that. In BTC pair, this is my final target, 25,000 Satoshi. Within this year, I think it should have to hit this, and will have to give you 300% gain within this year. Maybe it will go to 30,000 Satoshi or maybe 35,000 Satoshi, but right now this is very realistic target for me, 25,000 Satoshi. And let me please show you my next coin. Friend, please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. And this is our next coin, CHZ. It is currently trading at $0.13 and price increase 4.0% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 86, and market cap of this token is 722 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is very high, 1 billion, and circulating supply of this token is currently it is 5.3 million, sorry 5 million, 5.3 million, sorry. And 24-hour low price is $0.12. 24-hour high price is $0.14. Current rank is 86, and in 1 year it gives 922% profit to its holder. Return on investment is 517%. Very good. And all-time high of this token was on March 8, 2021. In this month, $0.14. All-time low of this token was on September 28, 2019, and the price was 0.004. And you can buy this token, or you can trade this token on these exchanges: Binance, Upbit, and Binance.com exchange, and some other exchanges. And if you want to open Binance account, then please go to in this video description where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Let's get into the chart of CHZ. This is CHZ USDT chart. Let me please show you. And this is the daily chart. This is the monthly, 4-hour chart. One thing you can say, it is creating a double top right now. Maybe price down to this level. Maybe price down to this level, 0.081, and after that maybe price will go up. But for this right now, because this in this price prediction, I have to tell you my next target. This is the current horizontal resistance is at $0.15. Once it broke this horizontal resistance and close daily candle above this, then our first target will be this zone. 0.24 is our first target. Once it close daily candle above $0.16, sorry, then our first target will be 0.24. And this is very realistic target, and I think it should have to hit within days. and definitely it will, I think so, because trend is over friend, and currently market is very bullish right now, and that is why I think that it should have to hit these targets. And let me please show you my medium duration target. Maybe price goes down to this golden pocket of Fibonacci at $0.10, but I am not sure. But maybe price down to 0. On this level, and which is 0.11 or $0.12 maybe. But let me please tell you my long-term target for this token right now. I think this token should have to hit this zone and should have to hit $0.90 within this month. I think this is very realistic target. It should have to hit $0.90 and should have to give you 5x in this bull run. 5x is very realistic target. I am not creating any type of hype. I am just telling the realistic target right now. And let me please show you the BTC chart of BTC pair of this CHZ. This is the BTC pair of CHZ, and in BTC pair it is at 275 satoshis, and also creating a double top right now. Maybe price down to this zone, and after that it will go up. If price goes down to 215 satoshi, this will be a good buy. You can buy at your own risk, because cryptocurrency is very risky. This video is just for informational purpose, and this is my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. I am not a financial advisor. Please keep this in mind. What is our first target? Once if CHZ break this horizontal resistance, which is at 320 satoshi, you can say, and close daily candle above this zone, then our first target will be this. Then our first target will be this zone. 420 satoshi is our first immediate short-term target for this token, but we have to wait. Maybe price goes down to hit 210 satoshis, and after that we see a pullback, and it then definitely it will hit 315. It will break 315 satoshi price level, and then definitely it has to hit $420. This is our first target. And let me please show you my long duration target for this token right now. If you buy or hold from this level of 215 satoshis level, then it will give you 450%, and price will be 1178 satoshi. But this is not my target. I think it should have to hit 1500 satoshi within this year. This is my target. Very realistic target. I think it should have to hit 1500 satoshi within this year of 2021. This is my target. Maybe let me please show you my next chart. Ultra, very good token and having huge potential. Ultra UOS, it is currently at $0.41 and price increases 17.7% in 24 hours, and price of in BTC pair increase 19.6% in 24 hours, and price in ETH pair increase 17.9% in 24 hours. Market cap of this token is 227 million, and trading 24-hour trading volume is 4.6 million, and circulating supply of this token is 552 million, and 24-hour low price is $0.34, 24-hour high price is $0.41, and current rank of this currency is 153, and in 1 year it gives 636% gain to its holders. Return on investment is 724, very good, and market cap of this token is 0.0207, and all-time high of this token was on February 2021, and the price was 0.42, and all-time low of this token is 0.0213, and it was on September 2, 2019, and it gives 1800% profit to its holders. It is available on these exchanges: QCain, BitMEX, Uniswap, Bitfinex, and BitMEX. You can trade on these exchanges. Let's dive into the chart. This is the USD chart, and here you can see how beautifully it is going to break its all-time high right now. It is at 0.409. You can say $0.41. Very, very good. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for this token. Very, very beautiful, and it is very bullish right now. And here you can see it is in parabolic move. Oh, beautiful. Great potential. 0.568 our first target, immediate short-term target. It should have to hit this zone within maybe 1 week, within 2 or 3 days, or maybe within 1 day, because it is in parabolic. And let me please show you my immediate short-term target, long duration target for this token right now. Sorry for that. $2 is our next target for this token right now, because I think it should have to hit this zone and should have to hit $1.7 price within 2021, and have to give you $315% profit. But my target is $2. I think it have to hit this zone and should have to give you 400%, near about 400% gain within this year. This is my target of UOS. This is the Ultra BTC pair chart, and it is in BTC pair we have a big opportunity, I think so. Here you can see it is currently trading at 825 satoshis, and let me please tell you my first target. I think it should have to break this horizontal resistance and should have to break this zone, which is 991 satoshi price. After that, let me please show you my target, because this is the cup and the target of this should be like this. Once it break $990, then our first target will be this zone, and it should have to give you 74% gain after hitting this target. And let me please show you my next target for this token right now. I think 500 Satoshi is my next target for this token, Ultra. and it have to give you 400% gain within 2021. This is my very realistic target, and maybe it will hit 7500 or maybe 8000, but but this is my target. I am sure that it will hit 5000 Satoshi price level and should have to give you 400% gain, but maybe it will go to this zone and have to hit 8000 Satoshi, and on this it will give you 700% profit, but my realistic target is 5000 Satoshi. Let me please show you my next chart. This is the Muse, and let me please convert it onto the 4-hourly, and let me please give you some introduction of this token. Muse, 4,500 people like this on QuackGecko, and it is currently trading at $55.76, and it decreased 6.5%. Rank of this currency is 489. Market cap of this token is 3 million, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is that, and total circulating supply of this token is that. Very less supply, and this token has only 1 million supply. That is why I am very sure that this low cap coin definitely will create history. In 30 days, this token gives 1400% profit to its holders, and market cap of this token 0.067, and all-time high of this token was on March 2021, in this month of March, and price was $86, and all-time low price of this token was on January 2021, January 21, 2021, and price was $0.12, and it gives 47,000% gain to its holders, and it is currently available on Uniswap. Let's dive into the chart. This is the Muse WETH chart, and currently price of this token is at 0.033. This is the WETH pair of WETH and Muse WETH, and let me please tell you my immediate short-term target. It is in this falling wedge. Once it broke this falling wedge, then our first target will be this. $0.059, and if I calculate in terms of percentage, it is near about 60% profit, and this is our first target. But please remember, this is not in BTC pair. This is not available in BTC pair or in USDT pair. It is only available on Uniswap. That is why it is available in WETH pair of WETH, and these are the target according to that currency. And after that, definitely I will tell you my target of this token in USDT pair or in BTC pair. I think this is very realistic target, and it should have to give you 300 or to 400% profit within this year, and this is very realistic target, and should have to hit this target, and should have to hit 0.20 of WETH. This is the target, and if I tell you in terms of dollar, then it should have to hit 4x. You can say $250 is our next target for the Muse in 2021. In 2021, our target of Muse is 4x, 240 or to $250. This is our very realistic target. These are 5 tokens that I think will give you maximum gain in this bull run, and this is the year of NFT, non-fungible token, and please focus on these. But if you want to invest on these tokens, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your loss, because this is not I am not a financial advisor. I am just sharing my technical knowledge and technical expertise and some information with you. And please do your own research. And if you want to open these accounts, Binance, Bybit and Hotbit, you have to go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of these exchanges. Just click on these links and create your account within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.